Data collection halts abruptly? Accounts get banned for no reason? You might be facing the same underlying issue, IP blocking. Don't worry. In just 3 minutes today, we'll reveal why residential proxies can be the secret weapon to solve this problem. The first reason is the difference in origin. Data center IPs come from server rooms, making it easy for websites to bundle and block them. On the other hand, residential IPs originate from real home networks worldwide and are assigned by telecommunications companies to residents. For websites, your access appears as if a local resident is browsing, making it highly trusted. The second reason is that the behavior resembles that of a real person. Bot visits are often rapid and predictable, making them easy for systems to detect. In contrast, requests sent through residential proxies are mixed with the network traffic of millions of genuine residential users, exhibiting the same natural and random behavioral patterns. This allows you to hide in the crowd, making it nearly impossible for the system to identify you. The third reason, scale wins. If you only have a few hundred IPs, a website can block them without a second thought. But what if you possess a dynamic ocean of tens of millions of IPs covering the globe? Block one and millions more remain. For a website, trying to block them all is too costly and risks blocking real users. It's simply not worth it. Therefore, the reason residential proxies are so difficult to detect lies in the combination of these three technical advantages: legitimate origin, human-like behavior, and massive scale. They solve the problem of IP blocking at its root. If you also want your business to bid farewell to IP blocks and boost success rates, click the link in the video description now to try Thordata's residential proxy network for free. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you next time.